DJ, I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shot selector boy.
Wow, looking like a scary movie, my G. Zombieland. Blood clot. Crocodile K. Production. Yo, dog sound like, that name sound like you related to Skilly Bang, man. Not related to Skilly. Oh, I check it out, man. This is No Flex, Zombieland, Seaman, Crocodile K. We're gonna check it out right now. The cover art looks crazy, man. It look like one of them throwback movies. You know, the cover art, the scary movies. Yeah, man. Seems dope, bro. We're gonna check it out. Let's see what's getting gang.
Walking zombie, King boy them a walking zombie.
Alright, walking zombie. Some boy dead now.
Walking zombie, and he moves to the left side grumpy. Walking zombie, you catch them a walking zombie. Let me swing up on them ends and left vengeance and bust on the blood clot pumpy. And he talks them grumpy, crack them skull numpty dumpty.
Crack them skull numpty dumpty. You see me? All the king horses and all these king man can't put it back together, you know, man, when this clot, you know, man.
And he talks them grumpy, crack them skull numpty dumpty. Pop up in them blood gets spilled, head feel from the blood clot pumpy.
Me I feel laughing at this, cause me show me team them not miss. I mean say 5.56. It's in your fucking neck reach your hip, yeah.
She's the one 5.56 between the neck reach your hip. Jaja, that means I'm try to paralyze your blood.
Anytime you're ready, pussy you start one. See me will lick out a jelly fall, play like guitar. Cause them back from way not here, must be far. Cause them unknown to be like a private car. Me say anytime you're ready now. You better watch how you stepping up. Your mother never tell you flex, man, treading up.
You said they're the whole time group? They're a group? Zombieland. No, they're the whole rap group, okay.
You by yourself, you know, hit your fucking lead, you know. All in your head, you know. Watch how you're swelling up. Couple of time, your body sting and smelling up. People find them, I big and ready, you know. On the news, another man shot dead, you know. Telling you.
Walking zombie, you catch them a
walking zombie. I'm to you, man. Walking
zombie. And me swing up on them ends and left vengeance and bust on the blood clot pumpy. And he talks them grumpy, crack them skull no humpty dumpty. Pop up in them blood gets spilled, head feel from the blood clot pumpy.
So this is old school Trinidad dancehall? Old school Trinidad
the
dancehall?
crocodile cannon, I take a fit on and I shot clip in me pocket and me rifle in me one hand. He don't them stubborn so them a get born on. When me say one press that a fully forward. Neck pop, spine twist, them boy get fixed, them 6 get 6. Them made pan target practice.
I said 6 get 6? Hold on, they was roaring with 6 as well? What happened?
And so them a get born on. When me say one press that a fully forward. Neck pop, spine twist, them boy get fixed, them 6 get 6. Them made pan target practice. Drill them ends like a damn dentist. All long bang it up, ting na jam it up. Boy disappear like a blood clot magica. Maki them.
That's what's up, man. So yeah, pretty much old school. Okay, old school Trinidad dancehall. That's dope, man. You know what I'm saying? So why is like this 90s Trinidad dancehall? Cause you know we got 90s dancehall, 80s dancehall. That's my dope, man. I've been interested to hear that. Like we got 90s Jamaican dancehall, which is dope as hell. So that'd be crazy because everybody reacting to new Trinidad dancehall. So I would like to hear more of what old school Trinidad dancehall sound like. You know what I mean?
Bang it up, ting na jam it up. Boy disappear like a blood clot magica. Maki them shoot up, tell the pussy them we have it. Clean up on aisle 3, call the janitor. Middle of the day when the
tell the pussy them we have it clean up on high tree, call the janitor on them bomber.
Tell the pussy them we have it clean up on aisle 3, call the janitor. Middle of the day when the key shine brightly. Them not kill nobody, them can't fright me. Safe side and copper shot a light. The Mac 90 me pinty boss, they made nicely.
I mean, man, Mac 90 me pinty boss, they made nicely. Blood clean to them. Boy are dead, you know.
Side and copper shot a light. The Mac 90 me pinty boss, they made nicely. Walking zombie, you catch them a walking zombie. Hey, me sing up on them ends and left vengeance and bust on the blood clot pumpy.
Telling you.
And he talks them grumpy.
Oh, yeah, I mean, man? But I like this old school dance.
Them a want. Say man, ready fi go murder.
Them blood gets
Oh, all them 4 years.
from the blood start pumping.
Say from a war, make me start it now. When pussy make me start it now. When flex man a march, girl take back it out. Me say inna them nasty mouth.
Okay, this is only 4 years ago. Okay, because I'm like old school. Okay, so that's what you call. So 4 years ago is what you call old school, or it's an old rap group. You didn't say old school. Okay, Tungaline. Alright.
Say from a war, make we start it now. Pussy make we start it now. When flex man march, girl take back it out. Inna them nasty mouth. Say man ready fi go start them out. Me say hit them for in the nasty mouth. Mac 10 rev like a carrying out. Hey pussy you don't know what me talking about when you blast it out. You is a little mouse, why pussy you don't know what me.
Easy. Bro, for a second I thought I was listening to old school Trinidad dancehall. But it's only 4 years ago. Jungle you almost straight. You almost let me straight, but yeah, man. Still dope track. I like it. But yeah, I was still, like I was saying, I'm interested in hear some old school Trinidad dance. I'll be dope.
Me talking about when you blast it out. You is a little mouse. Why you could fight and you can't see nose. Do even buy gun is a blasted louse. My clip them full of me sure about ya. See them a walking zombie. Them boy them a walking zombie. None of them pussy hole get.
They started in 2010. Okay, well I guess low key they could be considered old school. You know what I'm saying? Okay, alright.
I come wrong in my zone and can't fucking clunk me down. See them boy them a walking zombie. Say me go rise up the tall thing. Left a motherfucker head lumpy.
Yeah, man. Okay, I like that one. Real throwback type stuff. Zombieland, Seaman, Crocodile K. Yeah, man. So they started in 2010. So yeah, technically it could be considered an old school rap group. But yeah, man, that's a rap group from Trinidad. That's dope. Yeah, I'm gonna have to drop this on the channel to see how the gang like it. But yeah, they have a very distinct Trinidad sound, and it's dope, man. Throwback. They have the very what was I gonna say? Yeah, they got a very distinct Trini sound to it, where they got their accent and everything. Give it that authentic Trini sound. Yeah, the man talk about some badness. I'm telling you, some boy walking zombie, man. Dead man walking, you know, man. Yeah, see me, I say, don't play with. See what I'm cooking, okay? Yeah, man, that was dope. I like that one. So shout out to Babo requested that one too. Or am I lying? No, Tonga Line requested that one. So shout out to Tonga. But yeah, man, gang, it's 3 a.m. How y'all feeling? What y'all up to, man? Shout out to Trey. I am the plug, rapper in Trinidad. Hey, shout out to you, man. But yeah, man, shout out to Babo for another $2 super chat, man. Shout out to you, gang. I appreciate you. You feel me? Yeah, man. I'm gonna be having, gang. All right. I'm trying to get my live set up, so when I do go live, you guys can call in and I can talk to y'all directly on stream. You feel me? And ask y'all opinions on what's going on in the music and stuff like that. And we can kick it, chat, do requests, reviews, all that good stuff together. You know what I'm saying? So stay tuned for that. I'm getting everything set up, gang. So, and I'm also gonna get stuff set up. So when you send your super chat, it displays on screen. All right.